Mae'n pleser I fod yn canolfan ffitrwydd Cymer heddiw I siarad â phobl y cymuned amdano cyrsiau sydd â gael mewn grŵp colegau MPTC. This project has always been about the people of the Afan Valley. We've tried to go out into the area to try and see what the people need in the area. So we started off the project going to Croeseru, 𝗗𝗏𝗄𝗃 and Nghwm Afan with some family fun days and an evening event. Today we have come to the fitness centre in Cymer again with another family fun day, basically to get as many people out as possible during half term so they can find out about what options they have in the college. We have Nice College, Afan College and Maesteg Construction Centre right on their doorstep, as well as countless online courses available. With this project we've also tried to put courses on in the area, so we've done catering courses in Croeseru and 𝗗𝗏𝗃 where people can learn batch cooking along with getting a level 1 hygiene rating at the end. It's been a really fantastic project being able to talk to such a wonderful group of people throughout the area and see how the college can help them upskill, reskill, give as many different options in the future for them.